Welcome back to Candy Day Part 2. We've got 5 more old-fashioned recipes to share with y'all, plus candy cane crunch. It's not really old-fashioned, although we've been making it for many years. We've got 6 old-fashioned recipes.
Okay, I actually smell lemon right now.
You smell lemon?
Yeah. Probably that Coke.
Christmas wreaths and cornflake candy is what we're making with cornflakes. With the Rice Krispies, or the crisp rice cereal, we're making some peanut butter balls, crispy peanut butter balls. We've made the other old-fashioned peanut butter balls before. These are like, it said Amish crispy peanut butter balls, but I don't know if it really is. We're gonna try those this year instead of the other peanut butter balls, but if y'all wanna see that recipe, I'll link it down below. We're gonna make Martha Washington candy and candy cane puffs. I think that's it. Did I say everything? And of course the candy cane crunch. Let's grab our aprons. It's candy time. What movie should we watch on this candy making day? Miracle on 34th Street. We're gonna start with the ones that we have to refrigerate the dough. That way we can go ahead and get it in the refrigerator. That's gonna be the Martha Washington candy, the crispy peanut butter balls, and the candy cane puffs. So we need 1 stick of softened butter. So I'm gonna put it in the microwave, soften it up just a little bit. I forgot to set my butter out earlier. We're gonna use the KitchenAid for this one.
Red, blue, green, yellow.
We'll put in the stick of softened butter. We're putting 2 cups of powdered sugar in here with the butter. I'm gonna go ahead and mix in the cup first, then we'll add the other cup. We need half a teaspoon of vanilla and half a can of sweetened condensed milk. I'm cutting this recipe in half since I'm just wanting to put, you know, lots of different candies in the candy boxes. I think the full recipe made like, I can't remember how many, but we're cutting it in half. So we're gonna pour in half of this can of sweetened condensed milk. I'm just gonna eyeball it. I'm gonna scrape the sides just a little bit, and then we'll mix that some more. And we're gonna put in a cup of sweetened coconut flakes and a cup of chopped pecans. Alright, I'm putting in the coconut flakes and the pecans. Now we're going to transfer this to a bowl, and it goes in the refrigerator for 1 hour. You can chop the pecans up smaller. I kind of wish that I would have now, but it's okay. Too late to go back now. They're in there. Sissy's making us some popcorn. Okay, I'm gonna wash up the mixing bowl real quick. All right, the next one, let's see. I guess we'll do the crispy peanut butter balls next. Oh, I got this to get me something to drink and I forgot. The first thing we need for this one is 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Okay, we'll melt this real quick. You can measure out 1 cup of these Rice Krispies, okay? Just 1 cup. Here's the melted butter. We need 1 cup of peanut butter. We need half a cup of powdered sugar. I'm cutting this one in half too. I'll have the full recipes down below for y'all though. Scrape this down. We're going to put in 1 cup of the Rice Krispies, mix those in, and then we're going to put this in the refrigerator for 1 hour too. Alright, we got all that washed up. Now we'll make the candy cane puffs, because they also need to go in the refrigerator for a little bit. We need a 1/4 cup of softened butter first, so I'm just softening it up in the microwave real quick. 1 and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. There's 1 cup and 1/4 cup. We need a pinch of salt in there and 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. We'll put this in like that so it Doesn't go everywhere. We're gonna crack in 1 egg. We're gonna put in a 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Same thing with this dough. We're gonna transfer it to a bowl and it's going in the refrigerator for an hour. This one is a thicker dough, so I'm just gonna put it on a plate. And these, after they've been in there for an hour, we'll shape them into small little balls, and then they're gonna go in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. Here you go, so you can cover this one. We'll do the cornflake candy next. We only need 4 ingredients. So we're gonna start with 1 cup of sugar, and we need a cup of the corn syrup. And we're gonna turn this on to medium. We'll bring this to a boil and cook it until the sugar dissolves. Then we're gonna remove it from the heat and put in a cup of peanut butter and the cornflakes. And that's it for this one. We're gonna drop it by spoonfuls onto some parchment paper and just let it dry. We're gonna use about 5 cups of cornflakes. It depends on how crunchy or gooey you want your cornflake candy to be. You can put anywhere from 4 to 10 cups. If you do 10, it'll be extremely crunchy. If you do 4, it'll be extremely gooey. We're gonna probably do around 5 to 6, kind of in between. Leaning a little more toward the gooey side though. Here come the cornflakes, you see?
Okay. Are you sure this is gonna mix all good?
Yeah, here, I'll help you. It starts setting up pretty quick, huh? Oh, no! Sorry, Joe. Oh, grab me. Now we'll just drop them on the parchment paper here. And you can put sprinkles on them if you want to, Sissy. You can put a few sprinkles on these. Now we're gonna do the Christmas wreath. We start with a stick of butter in here. When the butter melts, we're gonna put in 30 of these jet puffed marshmallows. I already feel like we need 5 more at least. Put those in. Now I'll get this bowl ready for the candy cane crunch next, and then we'll shape our other dough into the balls, and they all go back in the refrigerator for at least 30 more minutes, and then they'll be ready to dip in chocolate. But we'll get the wreaths and the candy cane crunch done first. Okay, pause for a second. Let's see what we get with that.
We want it to be a really nice green. A little bit more.
Oh yeah, a little bit more. All right, we'll remove this from the heat and put in the cornflakes. Teaspoon of vanilla.
There they are.
Candy cane crunch, 3 ingredients: rice checks, white chocolate chips, candy canes. Sissy's already got some over there she's crushing up for me. We're gonna put these in the microwave and just melt them for 30 seconds and stir them until they're melted all the way. Then we just add in the crushed candy canes and the Chex cereal. And I'm wondering if this bowl is gonna be big enough. Jonah wants y'all to see his latest painting. Very Bob Rossy. That's great. right, we've got the Martha Washington mix here. We're gonna use the cookie scoop to scoop it out into little balls, and then it's gonna go back in the refrigerator for at least 30 more minutes. Now, when you're mixing it up, you think it's not gonna make a lot, but when you start scooping it out, there we go. Now, we'll get another pan. Do the same thing with the other doughs. Get them in the refrigerator.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains.
All right, the candy cane puffs are next, and I forgot we have to bake these. So I'm gonna lightly spray this cookie sheet, and we're gonna drop them on here with the cookie scoop, and they go in the oven at 375 for about 12 minutes, I think. Yeah, 10 to 12 minutes.
Shepherds, why this jubilee? Why your joyous strains prolong? What the gladsome tidings be?
Y'all, I was just sitting here talking to y'all, breaking up this candy cane crunch, and I wasn't even recording, I guess. Anyway, you just break it apart once it dries. You can make it, you know, bigger, smaller pieces, however you want them. All right, y'all, before we start dipping the last 3 candies in chocolate, it's time for Prancer's first giveaway. This year, his first gift is a beautiful waffle maker. This one comes in several different colors, so if you're the winner and if the color is available, you'll get to pick which color you want it in, or you can switch for a $25 gift card to Walmart if you'd rather not have the waffle maker. So now the big question, how do you enter the giveaway? This time, just shout out Prancer in the comments. That's it. If you want to enter the giveaway, all you got to do is type Prancer in your comment, or just type Prancer as your comment, and you'll be entered to win. Same as last year, these Christmas giveaways are pretty fast. You just have 24 hours to enter. So 7:30 tomorrow night, the 15th, will be the cutoff time for entry, and we'll let the winner know who they were, and we'll figure out how to get in touch with them to get them their waffle maker or gift card. And don't forget, he'll have a few more giveaways before Christmas gets here, so make sure you don't miss a video and watch all the way to the end, because you never know when he's going to show up. We've never had these before. There you go, Sissy. So we're gonna try them. Candy cane puffs. Kind of like a shortbread cookie almost. A little bit of mint flavor. They're good. Both of the other two, the peanut butter crispy things and the Martha Washington candy, get coated in semi-sweet chocolate chips. So we're gonna put 2 bags in here and start melting these. Y'all, we decided to put coconut flakes on top of the Martha Washington ones. And Cece said, oh, they're actually getting pretty with these coconut flakes. Like, they was ugly at first. They really were struggling, y'all. That's why I was like, what can we do for these? It's Martha Washington candy.
She liked these. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah. What is it exactly? Because it's really good.
Butter, powdered sugar, sweetened condensed milk, pecans, coconut.
Fantastic.
This one, I haven't put them on a plate yet. Crispy peanut butter, I can't remember what they were called. Crispy peanut butter balls.
Crispy peanut butter.
Oh, that's his favorite one, y'all. Is that the favorite?
That's good.